SageGlass is glazing that electronically tints to give building occupants control over heat gain and glare without obstructing their view to the outside. More of a project's budget can go toward the glazing because less has to go to the shades, blinds, and other solar control features. We have worked with glazing contractors around the world who have experienced how easy SageGlass installation is. This video will show you the steps to SageGlass glazing installation, which, as you'll see, is not that different from installing traditional static glass. When installing SageGlass IGUs, you'll need a drill, a 10mm bit, caulk and caulking gun, and personal protective equipment. SageGlass provides a field wire tester and other items needed for the job, including frame cables, labels, grommets, and a window elevation drawing. Glazers should follow the included window elevation drawing for IGU placement. The diagram specifies IGU sizes with a code, and it assigns an identifier to frame openings to use for labeling corresponding cables. SageGlass is a standard IGU with a cable, what we call a pigtail, extending from one side. The pigtail comes with a label listing information such as the code, measurements, weight, project name, and serial number. Frames can be wired on-site or in the shop. Start by drilling a 10mm hole in the mullion. Insert a supplied grommet to prevent damage to the frame cable when it's pulled through. Using the provided labels, mark the frame cable's bare end to indicate which IGU they connect to. Insert the labeled end through the grommeted hole to route the frame cable through the extrusion. Leave enough cable to provide a service loop. Then, seal the hole in the frame to prevent air and water infiltration. Ensure the cables are never installed below 0 degrees Celsius. Once installed, they must not be exposed to sunlight, even through glass. Coil and secure the frame cable so it doesn't hang loose and get damaged. The SageGlass IGU is positioned in the glazing pocket the same as a conventional insulating glass unit. Once the IGU is in place, secure it with temporary locks. Remove the IGU pigtail cap and connect the pigtail to the frame cable, matching the arrow labels on both connectors together. Tuck the connected wires into the glazing pocket, making sure the cable is not pinched and is protected from UV and water. Prior to sealing the glazing system, verify the connections using the supplied field wire tester. Then replace the temporary locks with pressure plates using force no greater than 1.75 Nm. Complete the glazing installation as you would do with any other glass. As you've seen, the installation of SageGlass is similar to that of conventional IGUs and requires just a few additional steps. We are here to answer any questions you may have before, during, and after the installation. Our goal is to help your SageGlass experience be as easy and profitable as it can be.